Hey guys, it's Economan Studios. We got it all sealed in. When we get the other installation in the vinyl, the homeowner will do the rest of that. But we got this all caulked together. What is the duct tape across each groove? This type of duct tape.
Yeah, that
Aluminum duct tape. He painted some sealer down at the very bottom across there. Let me show you what the inside looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. We had to go back around a quarter of an inch to match the other plywood. And this is the beam the homeowner put in. He welded on the feet and put anchors in. Welded at the top. I cut a groove in there for the pipe. He did all the welding. And this is the beam up here. And we just hung the cabinet for him. But it's freaking solid wall. As you can see. Let's see. A little thicker than the pencil. I'm gonna put some of this caulk down there. You can see where the new frame is. These beams are 8 foot to the top. Put a scab across the top there and there. We didn't worry about joining them together because it really doesn't need it. Tapcon did in. Alright, you guys take care. We'll wrap at you later.